For those of you who want to take trading further, and of course, if you want to actually learn how to trade and understand the market properly, so for those of you that want to take it seriously, I offer one-on-one mentorship through my academy called Beat Your Broker One-to-One Trading Academy. So we will meet face-to-face on a Zoom session, and the very first session I offer completely free of charge. So it's going to be a good opportunity for us to meet together face-to-face, and during this session we will discuss your goals, your experience, and what's the most important, whether trading is something that is right for you. Okay, so if you, like I said, would like to take trading into the next level, and you want to take it obviously and turn it into your source of income, that's exactly what you need to do, right? I will help you to understand what exactly needs to be done to achieve your goals without any pressure, without any commitment, just with pure clarity. All right, so like I said, if you're serious about understanding trading and possibly turning it into your primary or secondary source of income, okay, so check the link in my bio below, right? And then leave your contacts, and I'll get back to you, and we're gonna get you on the free training session just to understand your goals, right? And we're gonna take it from there. First of all, thank you very much again for your time today, and obviously observing the markets with me in general. Okay, now you know what's going on at least at this week, okay, and you know what may be happening next week ahead. Okay, let's be in touch and let's see what happens next. All right, so subscribe to me not to miss an opportunity for the next week. All right, bye bye for now.